Hi, in this lecture I'm going to show you how you can take a backup of your entire site. Just as with many other issues in WordPress, we are going to solve this by using a specific plugin. So I'm gonna go over to the plugins section immediately and click on Add New. Here I'm gonna search for a plugin named BackWPup and hit enter. Let's see what happens. Alright, so here's the plugin I was talking about. It is a highly popular plugin. As you can see, it has almost 300 reviews, 4 out of 5 stars, over 400,000 active installs, last updated 1 week ago, and also compatible with my version of WordPress. So it has all of those parameters that we would like to see in a well-maintained and also updated plugin. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this plugin, and this should be done in just a few seconds. Alright, so let's activate the plugin as well in order to be able to use it. And as soon as the plugin has been activated, I'm going to go over to the settings and show you how to configure it properly inside the main settings section of the plugin. So if we scroll down, you will see that we have several different wizards that we can use. The first one is to save the database regularly. So you can basically set up a backup job for the database. You have also the ability to export the XML. The advantage of this is that you can import those files into a blog with the regular WordPress importer. So basically you export all the XML and can import this to another blog if you wish. So you can save all the files. So you see that you can back up all your attachments, system files, plugins, themes into a single file. It is also possible to create a job to update a backup copy of your file system only when the files are changed. By default, the plugin encrypts everything, which is really great because you then don't need to worry of having someone unauthorized getting their hands on your data. There is also cloud support as well for the backup. So here you see the comparison between the free and pro version. I am fine with the free version. However, you're always welcome to upgrade your version in case you would like so. In order to show you how the plugin works, I'm gonna just click on the wizard for saving all files. However, when you click on this one, you will actually see that you can choose what this job is for. So I'm gonna choose all of those. So it is going to check the database table, installed plugins list, WordPress XML export, file backup, and database backup. So it will basically cover all the different parts of the backup that this plugin is providing us with. So we can also change the backup file extension. I'm gonna choose zip. Can also backup the folder, backup sent via email, to FTP, to Dropbox, Amazon S3 service, Microsoft Azure, Rackspace Cloud Files, and SugarSync. I'm gonna just choose to have the backup sent via email. Alright, and the log files are going to be sent to my default WordPress email address. I'm gonna save the changes. Next, I'm gonna go over to the schedule to set up when this job is going to be run. And we can start with the WordPress cron. The cron is basically telling how often the backup is going to be run. So we can see that we can set it to run daily and every 3rd hour, and click on save changes. And as soon as this is done, we can go over to the different sections such as DB backup and choose what tables we would like to back up, different files we would like to include or exclude, XML export, the plugins and how we would like to explain the plugin list file name, database check, and also which email to send the backup to. And this is basically how you set it up. So once this is done, you will just need to relax and take a cappuccino or something and allow the plugin to do its work. It is easily to control this because if you are not receiving backups every day from this plugin, then you know that you have messed up something with the configuration. So go back and check out whether you have missed something. But if you follow my guide in this lecture, this should work like a charm, because this is the configuration I'm using. Alright, this is how easy it is to take a backup of your site. Stay tuned.